dear friends. Good afternoon. Artificial intelligence is one of the greatest inventions of the modern world. I stand before you to speak on can AI replace humans? Artificial intelligence or the AI is no more longer than science fiction. Today, AI can answer the questions and diagnose diseases, drive the car, and even the writing essay in our journal. We can use AI for summarizing the paragraph and writing the poems. Because of the rapid development, many people fear that AI may replace humans in the future. But the real question is, can AI truly replace humans or not? Can AI only assist? What AI can replace? Tasks, not humans. AI is what AI can replace? Tasks, not humans. AI is extremely good at handling repetition and distribute database tasks. AI, for example, in banks, AI used for the chatbots for handling customer inquiries 24/7. In the factories, robots assemble the products faster than the humans. In hospitals, AI diagnoses the disease. It helps to the doctors. Examples shows that AI can replace certain jobs or tasks, especially those that require speed, accuracy, and repetition. What AI cannot replace? Human emotions and creativity cannot replace the AI. Despite its intelligence, AI has no emotions and feelings and the personal experiences. For example, a teacher understands a students' emotions and motivate us. AI can give information, but it cannot inspire. A counselor listens with the empathy. AI can give only the advice, but it cannot feel compassion. If a writer or a poet expresses emotions through their experiences, but AI has no experiences. Creativity, empathy, and the emotional intelligence are unique human qualities. Ethical thinking and the decision making. AI works based on data and the programming, but humans make decisions based on values and the ethics. For example, in in courtrooms, AI can analyze the past cases, but only a human judge can deliver a fair judgment. In medical emergencies, a doctor decides what is morally right, not just